What's up, babe? So today's video is brought to you by Yolova here. They was nice enough to send your girl over a wig to review for you guys. So if you want to know all the tea and the specs of this wig, stay tuned. Now, as I mentioned before, this wig is from Yolova here. They did send your girl over a water wave T-Part 4x4 lace wig, and it is 180 density. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the wig for you guys so you can see how the inside and construction curl pattern is looking like. So inside the box, you do get a thank you card. It also comes with some wig caps. I'm actually glad that they sent over this particular color because most companies send over black wig caps, which is really pointless because whose scalp is really black. So I'm glad that they sent over these wig caps. I normally don't wear them all the time, but I'm glad they sent over this color. And they also sent over some lashes. I don't know how to apply lashes. My 3-year-old daughter is into makeup and stuff, so she probably just play with these lashes. And last but not least, your wig do come in this cute little satin material bag with the name Yolova written on it. I do like when the wigs come in these particular bags because it's so easy to store your wigs rather than having your wigs in a plastic Ziploc bag. So when you do take your wig out of the bag, it do come in a Ziploc bag like this. Now this wig is 24 inches. The wig do have a hairnet over it as well as some tissue paper inside. I do see that the wig do have 4 combs. It does have a comb in the crown area as well as 2 combs right here on the side and a comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. Now I always take the combs in the crown area out of every single wig that I normally get, and most times I do take the combs out on the side because I notice when I do keep those combs in, it snags on my braids and it's so annoying. So I will go ahead and cut out these combs. Now the hair is really soft. I do love how the texture of this wig is looking. I'm running my hands through it and I'm not receiving any type of snags or any type of tangles. I'm really surprised how soft this hair is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the wig do come with some baby hairs. The hairline is not really too natural. I did notice this little mesh material right here is actually 2 of them. I never really seen a wig like this before with this up here. So I'm not too sure if I'm supposed to cut this out or if this material right here is supposed to mimic like scalp. But anyway, I most likely am going to cut this out and just use my lace tint spray. Now, since this is a T-part wig, what I did notice is honestly, this looked like a whole track right here. So it's pretty much about this much here that I literally have to evenly divide on each side so it can cover that track. I'm hoping that it's going to be enough here, but I am, like I said, I'm gonna let you guys know all the tea when it comes to this hair. Even though I get companies that send me their hair to review, I'm always open and honest and transparent with y'all. Y'all already know on this channel, ain't nobody got time to be wasting no coins, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just co-wash this hair. I feel like when you co-wash your hair before you use it, I feel like the hair performs better. So what I'm gonna be using to co-wash this wig is I'm gonna be using the OGX Quenching Coconut Curls. This is my go-to product when washing my curly hair. I am not going to shampoo it. I don't feel like it needs to be shampooed. I'm just going to co-wash it. I feel like wigs always perform better when you co-wash it or shampoo the wig before wearing it. I normally co-wash my wigs in either warm to lukewarm water. I never use hot water because I feel like with hot water the wigs will, well, in my mind, I feel like the wig will tangle. So I always use warm to lukewarm water. Alright, y'all, so the wig did dry. I did go ahead and brush it out. So it do look, you know, a mess right now. But what is very upsetting to me at this point, because I'm spending like 30 minutes trying to get this perfect. Now, I'm gonna show you guys something. This is a T-Part wig. When I unboxed this wig and I seen this, I know I was gonna run into an issue. But I need to use this small section of here to evenly cover this side of this track. I hope y'all can see it. And I need enough here to cover this side of this track. Now, when I already take this little small section of here to cover this track, it covers with no problem. Now, y'all, it don't matter how much I try to evenly split that small section of here in the middle, it's still not gonna be enough here to cover these two tracks on the side. I don't know about y'all, but I don't want to be walking outside and you can see these tracks. Like, it does not look appealing to me. It doesn't look appealing. And I was really excited to try this wig because I never tried water wave texture before. But now, if I cannot get this how I want it to look, I'm going to have to go out and buy some head wraps or some turbans to just even rock this wig. And I did not want to do that. It's very frustrating when I have to really put some work into getting the hair evenly on both sides. Y'all, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna work with it, and we just gonna go from there. You know, my OGs that have been rocking me for the longest, you know, I keep my pros and my cons towards the end of the video, but I just feel like I had to come up here and let y'all know. I'm gonna just be back, y'all, because at this point, sis is over it at this point. But I'm gonna keep a positive mind. I'm gonna, you know, work my magic and finesse it as much as possible. But that's the tea for right now. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the final look of how the wig turned out. Y'all, I finessed it. I finessed it. I finessed it. Okay. It was a lot of work. I felt like it was a lot of work to get this part right. I could probably still go in and fix it a little bit more. I should have redid my baby hairs. I feel like my baby hairs is kind of like a little too low, but it's whatever at this point. This is how the hair, after the hair dried, this is how the hair looked. Now, I was a little skeptical when I pulled the wig out of the packaging, because when I pulled it out, I was like, this don't look like 180 density. I forgot that, you know, when you start having curls, like a curl texture, the hair do clumps up. So you do have to brush it out to actually get that fullness. And I actually like it. I really do like it. I feel like, I'm sorry if you guys hear some noise in the background. It did snow, so the roads are a little bit wet. So you guys are going to hear the cars passing by. I do want to apologize for that. But now that I actually, y'all, finessed it, I don't think I have to go out and buy any turbans. It was some work. I did have to put in some work. I didn't give up, but I got it done. One thing that I would suggest is that the company do add some more hair to the portion that they already have, because if you do not know what you're doing, you may get a little overwhelmed and be like, you know, F this wig. I do love this curl pattern, y'all. I do feel like Deep Wave was my favorite curl pattern, but I do love the Water Wave. I feel like it's not too loose and it's not too tight of a curl pattern. But the hair is nice and full. I'm not getting any type of tangling or snagging when running my hands through this wig. So that is a plus. And honestly, y'all, when I washed this wig, I did not receive any shedding. I did cut my baby hairs. As y'all can see, I am running my hands through my hair. I do love this hair, and I think this is going to be my go-to wig for sure for the winter months. The only con that I do have when it comes to this wig is what I mentioned earlier about the how much hair they left out. That's pretty much like my only con. As y'all can see in the video, after I finished co-washing the wig, the water was dirty. I don't know if it was some type of coating on the wig, but I do suggest that you guys always wash your wigs before wearing them. Honestly, I'm really surprised how soft this hair is. This hair is really, really soft, and I can say it is true to length. It do come almost down to my waist. I am 5'3", so I can say it is true to length. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back of the wig. For a new company, I do feel like Yolova is on the good path to a good start. So that is always a plus for me. I cannot wait to try out more of their textures. But that is going to be it for this video. I want you guys to let me know in the comment section. Have you tried Yolova hair before? Do you like it? Do you love it? What's your thoughts? Would you try this particular curl pattern? Would you try a different texture? Let's chop it up in the comment section. But if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to hit that like button, as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop videos, you guys won't miss it. But that is all that I have for today. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed. I'll talk to you guys later.